In this video, we're going to show you how to request a photo from a customer in your service department. Or I should say the service person requesting that photo so we can get that photo and see what's wrong with the merchandise and make a decision on what. So you can do that in a couple of places. First, we're going to go to the service screens, which I know begin with V. If I put the V in there, it narrows my search down to the service screens. And there's a couple places to do it. One is right here in Service Department Photos. So if I double click on that, you'll see this screen, and that's where I'll work from. I'm not going to do it here. I'll come back, and you'll see that we're going to get to the exact same screen when we're working our services. So I'm going to go to the repair tasks and password in for the location that I'm in here, and run inquiry. And here are all the services that need to be worked, customers called, actions taken. I am going to work this one right here, number 94. I'm double clicking on it. And here's all the information on the customer. We've seen this before, and the service. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here in the bottom left corner where it says Issues Conditions. Click there. And you can see that we have, what is it here? It's a headboard that arrived damaged. So I'm going to click here on Pictures. And here's that screen again that we had. So we can go ahead and do it from that screen the first time like I showed you directly. I just wanted to show you how to get in here while you're also working on the service. So what we're going to do is we are going to text photos to us. Click on that, enter my code, and let's select the phone number. And we're going to text. And so you're all set up here, and you can see that it's already checked. It says, please take a photo of your, and you can fill it in here. Let's say chair. Let's see if that's what they were complaining about. Down here, when the text is received back, you can send it to, and I want it to go to myself. So I'm going to put my code in there. You can also have it go to an entire department. This one here says verifiers. If I click on this arrow, you can see that there's several groups that are set up here. I'm going to click it to the service group, let's say. So everyone that's in the service group will get an email that the photo has come in. Okay, so now if I click here, it's going to send instructions to the customer. And so this will take a minute because it's got the text has got to go out. The customer, me, has got to take a picture and text it back. So I'm going to click here on OK, send instructions. And it says, thank you, your text message with instructions has been sent. And I hope you heard that. I just got the text. So I'm going to click OK here and get that text. Okay, so the text was sent. I took a picture of the chair. I sent it back in. It does take a little time for it to get there and get into the system. So I'm going to get out of here right now. Escape. I'm back in the service screen with my services. What I'm going to do is go back into, I got to set a review date. In Infinity, you can't get out of a screen if you don't set a review date. It wants you to take care of your customers. So actually, let me set the review date 4/6/5, and the callback date 4/6/5. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay, and now when I get out of there, you can see that that I got notification, and if I click that one photo has been received via a text message for this service, and it gives me the service number. I remember the service number is always the invoice number and 4 digits. It starts with 0000 and it goes all the way up for each service you have on this same invoice. So I know that we've got 4 services that have occurred on this invoice. Okay, so it says, do I want to view that message? Number one, I click on view photos, and there is the picture that was sent by the customer. I can put my note in here. And then I can accept or reject the image. So I'm going to accept the image. Escape. Images. And now when I come back here into issues and conditions and I bring up the pictures, you can see there's that picture. It's in the service, right? It's always going to be attached there. So anytime you open this service, you'll be able to go in and see whatever pictures were sent. It could be more than one. If I click over here where it says photo, it opens it up. If I click on it, gives me the right picture. So you can see my chair is dirty. Um, that's going to be it. Let's get out of here. And that is how you request and upload a photo for a service.